Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Bluetooth speaker not playing sound. Let's dive in. The first possible fix is to check the volume levels. Ensure the volume is turned up and not muted. Adjust the volume using physical buttons or on-screen controls. Verify the speaker's volume is not set to the minimum. Use the volume controls on the speaker to adjust sound levels. Number 2. Verify the Bluetooth connection. For this purpose, you have to check that your device is properly paired with the speaker. In Bluetooth settings, ensure the speaker is listed as connected. If connected but not sound, unpair the speaker. Go to Bluetooth settings, select the speaker and choose forget. Put the speaker back into pairing mode and reconnect. Number 3. Set the correct audio output. For this purpose, you have to ensure the Bluetooth speaker is selected as the output device. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Playback Devices. Choose the Bluetooth speaker and set it as the default device. On macOS, go to System Preferences and open Sound and then open Output. Select the Bluetooth speaker from the list. Number 4. Check for interference. Keep the speaker and device within close proximity. Move away from potential sources of interference such as Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, or other Bluetooth devices. Number 5. Restart both devices. Power off your phone, tablet, or computer. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Turn off the speaker, wait for a few seconds and power it back on. Number 6. Update software or firmware. For this purpose, you have to check for any available system updates and install them. Visit the manufacturer's website to check for firmware updates. Follow their instructions to download and install updates. Number 7. Reset the Bluetooth speaker. Refer to the speaker's user manual for specific instructions to perform a factory reset. Typically, this involves holding certain buttons. After the reset, repair the speaker with your device. Number 8. Test with another device. Connect the speaker to another device. If the speaker works, the issue might be with the original device setting. Number 9. Consult the user manual. The user manual may include model-specific troubleshooting steps. If the issue persists, contact the manufacturer support team for further assistance. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.